Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to use the enlarged display on this device. Simply go to your settings. Here you can see the option accessibility. Select this one. Tap on vision enhancement. Scroll down under size and zoom. Here you can see the option screen zoom. Tap on this one. You can increase, so here you can see one slider. You can increase the zoom and you can also decrease this one. According to your eye comfort, you can set the size. This is the maximum zoom on this device. Enlarging your display increases the text and icon size without installing apps. So this feature among users who want a bigger, easier to read interface. So according to your eye comfort, you can set the size. Simply in this way we can enlarge the display on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.